Look at my eyes, bro. Oh my God. Good cakes they are. Welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. Fully active before the year. I hope everybody's alright. Listen, today we're making Jamaican cakes. Yeah. Yeah. Jamaican cakes is the code word, if you get what I'm saying. Don't ask too many questions. Big up activist edibles, you understand? Yeah, man, Jamaican cakes. That is it. You know what I mean? So we've got some special juice ingredients that we use for the last one with the wings and the rare. We've also got a chocolate bar. So we're gonna melt the chocolate bar and put the chocolate bar on top and make some cupcakes. But we're gonna make them we're actually gonna put a Caribbean flavor into them. We actually are. So we've got this chocolate bar. You know what I'm saying? That's going to be the topping. Yeah? We've got some little cupcakes. We just got these fairy cupcakes. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're just going to add some stuff. Some bits and bobs. We'll show you what we're going to add to the mixture. To make it, give it a spice. Or not a spice, a flavour. So we're going to open the packet of the mixture. Obviously put that in the bowl, and we're gonna add some things to it. Oh, we've got a challenge, baby, yeah? Someone said, can you cook a 3-course meal for your missus for under £10?
Yeah.
I reckon I can do that. I already kind of got an idea but we're gonna do it. Egg goes in, fully active, bit of milk. That's what she calls me, people. She calls me milk. She calls me, no, she calls me milky legs. Looks like she knows what she's doing, people. There's milk flying all over. Yeah.
Open the window.
Open the window?
Hot.
Oh yeah, she's hot. All right, so she's gonna add some cinnamon, ground cinnamon. Give it that little, yeah man, that good. That good. Yeah, man, give it a real Caribbean flavour. Ground allspice. Allspice is basically pimento seeds. So if you see what allspice is, it's basically pimento seeds crushed up. So if you ever need to put pimento in something, you can use a little bit of that, I suppose. It's not really the same, but yeah. We put a little bit of vanilla extract in next. There we go. And then I'm gonna have to take over here, people, because this is the man's job next. Now we need special juice. This is the man's job because we've got to make sure we've got a manly amount. That do. Hey! Jamaican cakes! Jamaican cupcakes. That is it. Oh, wouldn't it be cool if we had like little Jamaican things to put on top of them? Next time. Assembling the cupcakes now. Yeah. And we soon melt up the chocolate. Well, when they're done, we'll wait till they cool down first a little bit. And then we will melt the chocolate. That is it, people. They're ready. Don't worry about this one. Tried to get away, but that one tried to get away, but this one got further. These ones are cool still, yeah. So we're gonna let them set, and then do the chocolate. We have the golden bar. The golden bar. Is it golden? Is it?
Yeah.
Or is it like orange?
Orangey. Bronze.
Oh, it's orangey, yeah. All right, let's melt this and get this on top, people. Fully active. Bit of butter in there, people, so it don't burn, apparently. I'm not really a dessert type of chef. You know what I mean? But I'm into this sort of stuff. Yes. Double dosage. We active. Well, we might actually not be active. Hopefully not. My days I've been recording. Oh, it's dropping chocolate. It has started. Here we go. Look at this. Adding extra drops of juice on top. We'll see how one does for starters. They've done it again. Activist edibles. Look at my eyes, bro. Oh my God. Good cakes they are. No, I'm telling you. That's what happened. I've got to be honest. This is the look. Sometimes in life, people, yeah, you just got to be honest. You got to be honest in the situation, and I'll just mash up. Fell asleep, mash up. Forgot to do anything else more with the episode. I'm sitting there like a madman thinking, how can I actually make this into an episode? But I can't. And that's it. You just got to be honest with your people and say, you know what? We all mess up sometimes. You know what I'm saying? We all mess up sometimes. It's like, big up activist edibles. Definitely work. Yeah. So big up the Jamaican cakes. I do hope you enjoyed what it was of an episode anyway. And I hope it made you smile, if anything. If anything, you know what I mean? But listen, whilst I've got your attention, we are on our way to 100k subscribers. Oh my God, I'm actually getting excited now because I was looking the other day and it was like 78k, but it was moving a little bit slow. It's like ever since we've hit 80k, it's gone up like another good 1,000 and something. I don't know, but it's moving nicely. We're nearly about to hit 82k. You know what I'm saying? So that's only 18k off of 100k. Like, we're actually moving, man. Big up everybody that supports the channel. You know what I'm saying? If you haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing. You know what I'm saying? Because it really, really, really will help, especially at this point. I love everybody that's been here from the beginning. You know what I'm saying? All new people, nothing to change. The vibes is the same. I love you all the same. A good vibes, you get me? So welcome all the new people. Yeah, man, just press the like button and get the video moving. You know what I'm saying? Hype up the video. All that good stuff, people. Share it. Tell a friend. Tell a friend. It's all about cook and vibe. It's the best vibes on the internet. Believe me, man. I eat that, people. Listen, I am sorry, but I will see you next time. I promise. Do you know what I'm doing? As we speak, I'm doing a 13 foot, it's going to be like a 14, 15 hour episode. It's not going to be that long, but it's going to take me that long to cook it. That's how much effort I'm putting into the next episode. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You're going to have to wait. See you next time.